Your grow weather for the next 6 to 10 days as far as precipitation, it looks like half the state, the western half, below what it should be actually, and then equal chances central and east in the state. Pretty much the same situation for Kansas. And for the week ahead, it looks really to be pretty dry in the overall forecast. There are some slight chances of moisture, probably Tuesday or Wednesday in the forecast. Temperature-wise, above normal temperatures, and that falls right into central Nebraska, and it also falls into our forecast. Temperatures in the week ahead will be above seasonal levels for this time of year, where we saw below seasonal temperatures last year. Otherwise, equal chances of precipitation over the next 30 days, below normal chances, the western portion of Kansas, and above down in Florida, the Pacific Northwest, below chances as far as precipitation are concerned. Temperature-wise, equal chances for normal temperatures, and that's probably going to hold out to be true. If you get a week of temperatures below normal, a week of temperatures above normal, overall in the 30-day period, it kind of averages out to be normal for the month, and that's kind of what we're looking at. 90-day precipitation. Below normal precipitation, it does encompass central Nebraska, the western half, or western two-thirds really, of Kansas. Equal chances will prevail elsewhere. In the 90-day temperature outlook, above normal temperatures, so that dry, hot period is possible as we head into, with this forecast, in August. Nebraska's drought situation last week, exceptional, over 4%. This week, below 4%. The extreme category last week, 39%. This week, 34%. So we are gaining on that. In Kansas last week, 22% exceptional, 48% extreme, and doing a little worse in the exceptional part, but better in the extreme category with 45% this week. Well, the normal temperatures for this time of year for the week ahead should actually be around 82 degrees for highs and lows right around 58. The way the forecast lines up, it will appear that we're actually going to average above seasonal temps with 86 for highs and lows right around 65. So we're going to be above normal this entire week as far as not only daytime highs but nighttime lows are as well. When the stars begin to huddle, the earth will soon become a puddle. We're talking about clouds at night covering up the stars. It means the clouds are coming together and it could rain. And that is an old proverb for this week. Started out January in the Grand Island area, 13.41 inches. Normal is 11 inches, so we're about 2 1/3 inches above seasonal levels for this time of year. That's a look at your grow weather outlook. You've sent us some pictures, and here they are.
As you can see, some beautiful pictures sent in by viewers, and we want to see your snapshots. You can email them to us at ntvsgrow@nebraska.tv or post them on our Facebook page. Returning now to the Farm Bill program. We've talked about the amount of money that's used for the food stamp program. Well, now, what about the rest of it? Much of it is reserved for farm subsidies. So why does the government subsidize farmers? Many say farmers need government safety net due to the unpredictable nature of agriculture. However, some say too much of the subsidy money goes to wealthy farmers and large corporate farms. This bill would transition some farm supports to crop insurance, which is paid out when farmers lose revenue or lose crops to bad weather. So what crops are eligible for subsidy money? Most of the subsidies go to corn, wheat, soybeans, rice, and cotton, along with some other crops. Most fruits and vegetables are not eligible for the direct subsidies, though there's some extra government money for those farmers. So does this bill make any cuts to that farm subsidy program? The proposed bill would eliminate subsidies called direct payments, which cost about $5 billion a year and are paid to farmers whether they farm or not. but it uses some of those savings to create new farm subsidies and expand crop insurance. So now that brings us to our weekly poll question. Just how should the money be divided in the Farm Bill? More money for food stamps, less for crop insurance, equal amounts for food stamps and crop insurance, more money for crop insurance, less for food stamps, no money for food stamps, and should all be dedicated to crop insurance. What do you think? Log on to Nebraska.tv to cast your vote. Just click on NTV's Grow. Remember, you can leave your comments on this issue on our Facebook page. We have one more question that will help answer about the Farm Bill coming up. Plus, they were sweethearts that left the mountains for the Nebraska plains. You're going to get to meet the Farm Family of the Month coming up. Stay with us.